Hi there, this is Mark Shaw with Accent Gold Solutions. We're going to be doing a brief video here on moving your CRM to the cloud. Should you move to the cloud? What are the benefits of moving to the cloud? We are CRM experts, that's all we do, and we've noticed a big trend of late where many of our customers are moving from installed on-premise solutions to the cloud. So what are the benefits of moving your CRM to the cloud? Well, first of all, there's reduced total cost of ownership. What that means is that you really have predictable costs and reduced risk. So you know how much money you're going to spend. You know, I'll be spending $50 per user, and that's it. The CFO doesn't have to worry about, oh, what if my network goes down? What if my IT guy leaves and I have to get another IT guy? It really reduces his risk. Now, there are some scenarios where you don't have a reduced total cost of ownership, but those are few and far between. Really, if you get down to comparing, the implementation costs, probably going to be the same, but it could be more if you're going to be having to install the software on everybody's machine. If you're going to have to make sure your laptops are up to speed, you're going to have to get new laptops. Possibly, you're going to have to get them on the network. All that good stuff. So reduced IT staffing is the next point here. You really will have lower IT staff costs. So what that means is that you probably don't need to you may be able to outsource your IT guy rather than have him full-time. Or if he's already outsourced, you may be able to get away with not using him as much because he doesn't have to set up your server. He doesn't have to set you up with all that. It's already in the cloud functioning for you the way it should. You also have free hosting and support. With many of these systems, the cloud CRM includes hosting and support. So with Sugar, for example, Sugar CRM, for the $30 per month, so $1 a day, they will host it for you, and they have staff on board themselves that will troubleshoot and provide you technical support. If anything goes wrong, if something doesn't function the way it should, and from time to time things like that happen, it's software, then what they'll do is they'll log in, they'll fix it. You'll just create a support case, and I've done this. In my experience, it's usually less than 2 hours. They go in, they fix it. If they need feedback, they'll email me. I answer the question, and boom, it's done typically within 2 hours, and everybody's happy again. With a cloud software, a cloud CRM, you're also able to get up and running very, very quickly. That means you don't have to worry about ordering a server. You don't have to worry about ordering new laptops, installing anything going awry, making sure your IT guy is on hand the day that it's going to all be installed. No, you basically can get up and running. If you've got a browser and you got a computer, you can get going. And really what it takes is simply making sure your users are configured, making sure your customization is done. You will want to do some planning, but it's much, much quicker to get up and running in a cloud environment. You have less hardware integration worries as well. So we've seen a lot of situations. It's helpful when companies have a standardized infrastructure for their hardware. Everybody's on Windows 7. Everybody's on Windows 7 Pro. Everybody's on the same antivirus, and so on. And yet, in situations where somebody buys a computer in January, next guy buys a computer in June, it's always different. Watch out. You're going to have lots of problems. You'll have different troubleshooting issues every time you install somebody new. Not the case with cloud, though. Cloud takes care of all that. Very, very convenient. And lastly, a cloud solution is going to be helpful for your sales teams that are remote. That means if they're running on Windows devices, if they're running on laptops, if they're running on Mac, if they're running on an iPad or a BlackBerry, it doesn't matter. They're able to access their CRM. Those are some of the benefits of moving your CRM to a cloud. Who are we? We are Accent Gold Solutions. We are CRM experts. This is what we do. We've been at it since 1998 and support a variety of products. Our goal is to help you figure out what's the best product for you and how can it be implemented in such a way that users will want to use it, they'll want to adopt it. So you can contact us. We would love to support you and serve you, give you our opinion on what the best product is for you. You can email us at info@accentgold.com. Thank you.